Hi there, Ronaldo here from Enlightened Super Trader Education. In today's topic, we're going to discuss about the three types of analysis. Number one is what we call the fundamental analysis. Number two, technical analysis. And last but not the least, we're going to discuss about the sentimental analysis. So what is macro fundamental analysis? Well, there are two types. One is what we call the micro fundamental analysis, and number two, there's what we call the macro fundamental analysis. So when you're trading stocks, for example, if you want to know more about the company, then you're going through what we call the micro component of the company. So what does it involve? It involves looking at your profits to earnings ratio, you're looking at the dividend, you're looking at the profits and loss statements. So looking behind the scenes, whether if the company is sound good when it comes to their products or through their profits and loss, so you'll be able to make a decision basically from there whether if you want to buy or sell basically the stock of the company. Number two is what we call the macro fundamental analysis. The macro component, which is the whole, looking at the overall global component of it. For example, you have the S&P 500, which is the index of the top 500 shares here in the US, or top 500 companies. And then from there, you are analyzing it based on the volatility index behind the S&P. Mainly, it's the fear indicator of it. And then you're looking at the Dow Jones, Industrials 30, you're looking at oil, you're looking at gold, you're looking at the US dollar index, you're looking at copper, you're looking at bonds and yields. And the reason being is they are all connected whether you like it or not. So by finding some form of divergence simply means that it's out of whack, it is not in the same boat, and it doesn't have a correlation. So if you can be able to find those out, then you will be ahead out of everyone. On top of that is what we call technical analysis. It simply is a study of charts or different types of charts. You have candlestick charting, you have line charts, you have bar charts, you have Ichimoku. So there are different types of charting that you'll be able to utilize using technical analysis. It is simply, there are two components, basically price and time, and people will use volume, people will use moving averages and different type of oscillators like your RSI, your MACDs, which stands for moving average convergence divergence. So this is part of your technical analysis component. And the third one is what we call sentimental analysis. Sentimental analysis is looking at the sentiment, where it's a very subjective component because you're utilizing people's behavior, people's perception, whether if they're buying or selling. And then from there you can make a decision based on what you see in terms of the data. And if you can add all these three types of analysis together, then it becomes, or you'll add more in terms of a probability whether you'll be buying or selling depending on which asset class that you're going to trade. So that is it. That is basically the three types of analysis. Now, if you like these videos, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Also, make sure to visit our other social media sites on Facebook and Instagram. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care until next time. Happy trading. Peace.